Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be looking at how to design an exhaust pipe. So to create this exhaust pipe we went through several steps, mainly creating the curve and then adding a circular sweep and then mirroring it. After that adding the fillet in the middle and then the shell, and then for the flanges we've created extruded boss with the mirror of course. And then we've added the last touches, which are the chamfers and adding appearance or material. Without further ado, let's jump into designing the exhaust. So to create this part, you need to go to new as usual, click on part and then click OK. Make sure that your units are set up correctly. Before I start, I make my background white, and let's start by sketching the first sketch. So the first sketch should look something like that. Let's add in the dimension. The overall dimension should be 150, and this one should be 75. This one should be 60. Let's make it vertical, and there we have our initial sketch. Let's go to the right plane and create the second sketch. Go all the way up and then turn to the right. Should have the same height, and here should be 60 as well. Let's add in the fillet. We forgot to add it in the first one. Let's add it here and then go back to the first one and add the fillet as well, just to make a curve. Let's go back to the first sketch, go to fillet, make it 30, click on OK, and you should be good to go. Now that we've created these two fillets, let's go to feature, go to curve, and go to project curve. Keep it sketch on sketch, click on this sketch and then click on the second one, and there you have the initial shape of your pipe. That's it. Alright, now let's go to sweep. Let's make it a circular profile and let's click on this pipe, make it 30, and there you have your initial shape. Let's hide the curve and the shape. We need to mirror it so we will have the second exhaust. Go to the right plane and then select this feature. There you have it. Now let's add in a fillet in the middle. Fillet should be here. Make it curvature continuous. Let's make it 15, and it should be symmetric. So that's the shape. Now let's make a shell. To create a shell, select this face, and this face. Make it a 2mm thick, and there you go. Now you have your shell. Now let's create the flanges. It creates our first flange and convert the entities. Alright, let's add in another circle. This circle should be 35 is okay. And let's extrude the boss. Let's make it a 8. That's good. Now let's add in the second part of our flange. Let's convert this entity here, and let's add in another circle. Should be bigger than the initial one. Let's make it a 40. Very good. Let's go to feature, extrude boss, and it should be an 8 as well. There we have it. Let's add the chamfer inside this one. Chamfer should be a 2. So I will make 2 chamfers. You need to add another one here as well. Alright, so that's our initial flange. Now let's create the top one and mirror it. Now let's make an extruded boss. Make sure that the right profile is selected. Make it an 8. There we go. Now let's mirror it. To mirror this feature, select it, go to mirror, select the right plane again, click on OK, and you're good to go. Now let's just add in the final touches, which are the chamfers mainly. This one here and this one here. Alright. I might have internal one as well. That's our exhaust pipe. Let's apply appearance. Should be a polished steel, unless if you want another appearance, then feel free. So that was our tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you on the next one.